Pretty cool, super durable. And I'm going to do a 360 flip. Easy peasy. One push of a button. What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Alan C. and we're checking out the H1 Neon Drone. This thing looks incredible, and you're protected from them blades, and the blades are protected from hitting things. So I can't wait to try this out. Looks like it might even light up. All right, here's how the product comes packaged in the box with the instructions on the bottom. All right, here are the contents of the box. So we got 3 different batteries for this drone. Man, that is a company that cares about you. Digging that. We got the coolest looking controller right here. We got the actual drone itself, and then the blade guards, which pop into place on the top. We got 2 separate chargers, so you can charge 2 of these batteries at once, and that is so cool. It also includes a screwdriver, extra blades, and we got the instruction manual. Protective sleeves. These are optional when you're flying, and I think I'm going to use it the first time I fly. You actually put it just on the top where the blades are, so it protects the top. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and get these batteries on the charger quick. Wow, these battery chargers are absolutely awesome. They plug into any USB port, and they glow green when the battery's fully charged. Now, we didn't connect the battery yet, so we'll connect the battery, and this will tell us if it's charged or is charging. So now that we connected this battery to this one, it indicates that it's charging with that red light. We can go ahead and connect the other battery to this one, and we'll come back when these are fully charged. There was a third one. I'm going to try it, see if there's any juice on it right out of the box. All right, so here's the third battery they included. I'm going to plug that in to the drone here, and it clips in place really nice. Fits right into the body shape and everything, and we can push this power button. Looks like there is some juice in it right out of the box, so we're going to try it out. Before we do so, look at them LEDs. Incredible. We do need to go ahead and open up the battery door and put some in the controller itself. The rear battery door does require a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew, and it looks like this controller takes 3 AAAs. Now that we have the controller loaded with batteries, let's get that battery door back on there. Okay, so this top button's auto takeoff landing. This right here is the lights, but if you hold that in, that bottom button, that's going to do an emergency stop for you. Right over here we have return mode, so it returns to you. That's impressive. And then if we click this right one, it's something called Headless mode. It's just something drones have. It's a cool way of flying. Up here we have the speed, and up here we have the 360 flip button. Let's watch these little ant holes, these little ant hills rumble as we take off. And here we go. Look how cool it looks, glowing. And look how far this thing can go, no problem whatsoever. Don't mind that, that's my robot mower over there. But take a look at this drone. And turn the light off, and turn it back on. Look how cool this is. And I'm going to do a 360 flip. Easy peasy. One push of a button. That thing's way up there.